Hello, and welcome to our third topic. Today, we'll be exploring business profile overviews on Google Maps. Let's get started. To access business profiles, just type the business name or category into the search bar at the top of the screen. For example, searching for Starbucks will bring up a list of nearby locations. Tap any location from the list to view its detailed business profile. Once you open a business profile, you'll find a wealth of information available. Here are some key details you'll typically see. At the top, you'll see the name of the business and the category it falls under, such as cafe or restaurant. The overall rating out of 5 stars, along with the total number of reviews. Estimated time to reach the location using one of the navigation types, walk, drive, etc. Average cost per person in local currency. Business hours. At the top of the screen, you also have a list of buttons for performing certain actions. Viewing directions. Instantly start navigation. Note that the transport type whose time is calculated in the line above will be activated. Call button to contact the business. Save the location to your selected list. Share the location with someone. Access the website. Create a post. When you click on it, you can either leave a review or add a photo or video from this place. Edit button to suggest changes to the information in this profile. Below is a section of photos and videos provided by the business or users from this location. Lifehack. Looking at restaurant photos, you can often find images and videos of dishes as they actually appear. This will help you decide where you want to have a meal. Below the photo section is an expanded menu with access to information about the business. Here is an overview of business hours, official website, phone, email, average cost, and address. The See All button opens the full About section, which contains the most comprehensive information the business has provided about itself. Returning to the Overview section, below is a feedback block where you can see the average rating on a 5-point scale and the number of reviews broken down by rating from 1 to 5 stars. You also have the option to view user feedback and leave your own. The See All Reviews button opens the full Reviews section, which contains all ratings and reviews and allows you to sort them by the criteria most relevant to you. You can sort reviews by date, relevance, or rating to find the most helpful information. The business profile also contains information about popular hours. This information is based on the history of visits to this location. Some business profiles offer additional features to enhance your experience. Restaurants often display their menu, and service-based businesses may list available services with prices. For dining or special services, some profiles let you make reservations directly through the app. You can order food or products directly from the business profile if the business supports online orders. The top of the screen also contains 3 dots that open additional options for the user. Add a label, download offline maps, add a photo, mark as a parking location. We'll cover adding labels and creating personalized lists in the next lesson.